I found something on Etsy. It's an editable Photoshop template. Want to know how it was done? Well, today I'm going to teach you. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a new document, for example, 8 by 11 inches, and select 300 dpi since we need good quality suitable for printing. Step 2. Place your photo. If the photo's size differs from the document size, select the entire document area, copy it to a new layer, and convert it to a smart object. This is necessary to ensure the photo is correctly positioned in the future. Step 3. Set a vertical guide in the center of the document. Step 4. Draw a rectangle with black fill on the left side. Step 5. Write any text. I took one of the quotes found on the internet. Choose the right font. It's better to use a bold font so the photo is more visible. Step 6. Align the text to the right side. Enable all caps. Step 7. I decided to put the quote's author on a separate text layer so that when changing the quote, the author's name always remains in place. Step 8. Duplicate the photo layer twice and place them above the text layers. Step 9. Create a clipping mask. Step 10. Duplicate the photo layer again and place it at the very top. Step 11. Go to the layer settings and enable 2 strokes as shown in the video to create a frame around the photo. The advantage of this method is that when resizing the layout, the frame will always have equal margins. That's all. Now, you can simply double-click on the smart object to change the photo. If the photo is too dark and the text is not clearly visible, you can increase the brightness for the clipping layers. You can also create additional clipping layers over the photo, fill them with white, and change the opacity. This is how you can easily create your own templates for posters and even make money from them. However, remember that copying other people's designs and selling them can be considered a violation of copyright laws. So learn, get inspired, and create something new and interesting.